Big thing about getting decent life out of a vehicle on a farm is keeping it clean. Nice Tyler here, Impact Off-Road. As you can see, we've just gone and picked up this from one of the farmers. It's a Suzuki Carry that we've worked on in the past. Big thing about getting decent life out of a vehicle on a farm is keeping it clean. As much as you need it caked in mud and everything, quick hose down always saves a lot of problems. Dirt gets into seals, just anywhere turns into grinding paste, and it can cause corrosion. In this case, that's what's happened. As you can see here, a lot of mud. The reason that this has come back is for repairs, to get it going, because he can't start it, and it's just because the wire's corroded out, because everything's caked in mud, and when mud's wet it causes corrosion. So this is probably about a $500 muck up by the time that we've done the transport on it, and about a half-hour repair, well, not even that, and we'll have it back to him today, but ultimately just because it's not kept clean.